Afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great fifth wheel value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to review a 2018 Keystone Cougar. This is the model 351 MBI. This is a quad slide, very beautiful mid-profile fifth wheel. And of course, one thing I'm going to point out, this particular model number is not going to be in the owner's manual that year. And reason why, this is a mid-year model, or excuse me, 359 MBI. It will show up in the owner's or in the sales brochure as a 368 MBI. And what happens is they made a couple of little changes. It increased the square or decreased the square footage, so that's why the model number is different. Contrary to popular belief, folks, that model number has nothing to do with the length. 359 is 40 feet 2 inches long. That is the square footage on the interior. So a 368 and a 359, one's just got 9 square feet less than the other. But MBI is the model number. Beautiful RV, full body paint. Of course, the Keystone Cougar, the best-selling mid-profile for the past 20 years, and one of the brands that put Keystone on the map. Cougar and Montana both, their primary sellers. In fact, over 150,000 Keystone Cougar fifth wheels have been sold. Beautiful RV. It is a 0-degree tested 4 seasons model. It is pre-wired for solar. Of course, got the TPO roof. 2018. Just new enough for somebody to lose a lot of money on it when they bought it new. Power awning, double power awnings. Dual axle, 11,200 pounds. So that's considered pretty lightweight for a 40-foot fifth wheel. And you can see the LED light strips on the power awning. 50 amp power service. And let's go inside. Now I'm just hooked to 30 right now, so I only have one AC on. And it's hot today. But I'm going to tell you though, that little air conditioner's doing a fairly good job considering how hot these things get in the middle of the day. But I love this floor plan because it's a traditional rear lounge floor plan, but you've got multiple bedrooms, multiple configurations. And very nice and open and roomy. You've got leather furniture. Some nice features they do. You've got touch sensitive lights on some of the lights, where you can cut the ones on and off you need. Table booth makes a bed. You got the theater seating with recliners. Big sofa in the back makes a bed. You've got electric fireplace. I like the fact there's not any carpet in your main walkway. You've got an 8 cubic foot Dometic RV refrigerator freezer. Furion electronics, which is liquid components, CD, DVD player, sound bar, and TV. You got a 15,000 BTU ducted roof air, and you have a 13,500 BTU non-ducted roof air auxiliary unit in the front bedroom. And multiple rooms, I like that. You got a second lounge slash man cave, whatever you want to call it, but more than likely a second bedroom for 2 adults. Makes a queen bed, big TV in here, extra storage just to make a great guest room, or for another couple. But still maintaining the rear lounge floor plan. Look up here, you've got a ladder. And look up here, and you've got a full-size loft bed, great for kids. Safety rail too. Coat rack, bulletin board. Step up through here again, multiple rooms, so it gives you a residential feel. Look right here, I've got it set to 0000 for a pin number. You can control your levelers. This does have the automatic leveling system. The slides, lights, awning, everything right here from this little remote control. There's your thermostat for your heat and air, your max air vent covers, monitor panels, storage. Shoot off to the left here, and you've got a bathroom. RV toilet, porcelain china toilet. You have a sink, a nice stand-up shower. I mean, this is a good-sized shower. Sticker's still in great shape, so that means it hasn't been used much. with a glass sliding door. That air feels great up here next to the vents. Close this off, and you got a private front bedroom. Very cozy, queen island bed, extra air unit, washer and dryer hookups, got a big sliding glass door closet. It's a mid-profile, so you can't stand up all the way to the front. It's more or less designed for 3/4 ton trucks and some extreme half-ton trucks. I mean, probably 99% of the half-tons aren't ready to tow this, but there are some out there that can be. Of course, you can see the top bedroom there, place for a TV if you want to add one, and we can certainly add you a TV to the loft area if you want one, couple of $100. Same for the bedroom area. But you still have 2 TVs, one in the auxiliary den and one in here. Well guys, this is cozy, it's comfy, it's not super heavy for this size fifth wheel. Wow. $44.9 includes a warranty, inspection after purchase, which is done by my certified and trained RV techs. We go through our world famous 4-page inspection process, and nobody else will do that on a used RV, guys. Nobody. We go through it. Anything we find wrong on our list, we repair, replace at no additional cost to you. Guys, this particular RV, this fifth wheel, shows hardly any use at all. No, you know, you don't see like typical used RVs, wear and tear on the sofa, wear and tear on the cushions. You don't have any of that here, guys. Floor's not scuffed up, kitchen's not messed up, stovetop doesn't look like it's ever been used. I mean, guys, this is a nice fifth wheel for the price. And you look at a brand new, this is, I know not for everyone, not everybody has $44.9 to spend on a used fifth wheel, but those of you who've been looking at new ones, will save you about 25 grand or more. Here you go. 2018, you pull it up next to 2020, you can't tell a bit of difference if this one's about 30 grand less. If you're interested in this Cougar, give us a call, folks, before coming to look to verify availability. 706-965-7929. Call us with any questions. I'll explain to you, just summarize how the sales process works here. We've got 51 years of customer feedback. This works best for us and you, the potential buyer. After purchase, this unit gets in line to go through service. We go through it. You've got in writing everything that we inspect and guarantee for the price you pay in writing. And anything we find wrong with it that's on our list, we're going to repair it. And even if we find stuff wrong with it that's not on our list, we're going to advise you about it and let you see what you want to do about that as well. But we're going to go through this RV, make sure everything on our list works, which covers 90-95% of the systems on this fifth wheel. So, and the only thing it doesn't really cover is tires. It's a 2018 model. Obviously, tires are not going to be an issue for a while. And guys, everything on that list is checked. When you once this unit's been inspected, it gets cleaned inside and out, top to bottom, by my cleaning crew. Then it gets a final walkthrough by my service manager. If he's happy with everything, he'll call you, set up a time to pick up your new to you Cougar. When you arrive here to pick it up, the tech that checked it out, or my walkthrough inspection expert Preston will go over this fifth wheel with you, show you how to operate everything. He'll have a long checklist. He has to check everything off as he shows it to you, and have you sign at the end so nothing's missed. And of course, he'll answer any questions you have, show you the repairs that had to be made, give you tips, tricks, pointers, help you hook it to your truck, and more. All that's included, folks, for the $44.9 price. And just to give you peace of mind, we do something else no other dealer does. For $44.9, the option A haggle-free price, you get the inspection, you get a 90-day nationwide limited warranty that we purchase on your behalf, accepted at a network of dealers nationwide. This way you've got peace of mind, protection. You know, folks, I look at where we sell to, you know, we sell all over the country. Thanks to today's modern market for used RVs and the internet, everybody's a local shopper. Doesn't matter if you're 100 miles away, 1,000, 2,000 miles away, or 10 miles away. Everybody's a local shopper. Everybody travels for deals like this. Can't blame them. If you can save 5, 10, 15 grand, why not? Over other 18s. And then get the warranty, get the inspection, and we hand select everything, folks. We don't just buy it because it's cheap. We have to buy it because it meets our criteria. And we learned many decades ago, if you start out with a nicer product, one that's been taken better care of, you don't have to do as many repairs on it, so we can afford to do that 4-page checklist because we bought cream of the crop to begin with. Now, could we do that if we bought junk? Of course not. We'd go broke. But the fact that we buy nicer RVs to begin with means there's less work to do when we do the checkout. Sometimes hardly any at all. And guys, you know, we just keep things easy, simple, and done. We're not like other dealers. We don't haggle. We don't do the back and forth thing. If you want to haggle, the price is $57.9. Let's start haggling. Or if you just want to put it right on the money, it's $44.9 with the warranty, with the inspection, with the orientation, which, by the way, you can record the orientation with your phone or camera. Ooh, that air feels good. It is hot today, folks. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions about this RV, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Nationwide deliveries available. Contact us for a quote. We know a lot of people are buying these for live-in units, and I don't blame you. I mean, 368 square feet, or 358, however you look at it. There's apartments out there with less square footage than that. And for what you're going to spend renting an apartment for a few years, you can have this thing bought free and clear. And then be able to have the ability to move your apartment whenever you want to. So definitely some advantages to that. It is a 0-degree tested 4 seasons fifth wheel, which is very important if you're going to live in it. You don't want one that's lightweight, has no insulation, you freeze every winter and roast every summer. You don't want that. You want one that's 0-degree, 4 seasons if you're going to live in. Now, if you're just going to use it a few times a year like a regular camper, it don't matter. But I'm talking about if you're going to live in one or stay in one year round or winter camp, you want a 4 seasons model. Another thing, folks, you know, like I said, we go through these things. You get the warranty, you get the inspection, all that's included for that low price. And guys, we're very easygoing here. You can come look. We've got a huge lot full of fifth wheels, used fifth wheels, some of the nicest we've ever had at bargain prices. And you can come here and look at your own leisure, salesperson, without going through a sales office, without giving up copies of your driver's license, getting pre-approved for financing like one dealer makes you do, just to look at their inventory, even if you're a cash buyer. It's crazy, folks. Come out and look at your own leisure. You can look with or without a salesperson. Just a word of warning, if you come on Saturday, you will probably get to talk to a salesperson, but don't, guys, literally, right now there's at least 15 to 20 separate vehicles out here looking at RVs. I have 4 salespeople, so obviously you're not going to be able to be escorted by a salesperson. Now, if you come Monday through Friday, it's a possibility. For those of you who want to have a salesperson escort you around, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are our slowest days. So that's the best day. If you don't want to make an appointment, that's the best day to do it. But Saturday, Mondays, and Fridays be very hard to do, folks. And I'm not trying to turn away business. I'm just being honest with you. We're a high-volume dealership. We sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. Thanks to the internet, people are traveling from all over the country to visit with us. I mean, guys, you look out there right now. I've got tags from Atlanta, Nashville. I looked when I walked in here. I got one from Massachusetts, one from Kentucky. I mean, guys, a couple from Alabama. I mean, guys, they're from all over, not just here in the local area. So keep that in mind. Saturday is a extremely busy day, as well as Mondays and Fridays. Anyway, guys, of course you can come look at any of those days, but like I said, it's more or less self-service, and we'll try to talk to you if we can, but if we can't, just come in the showroom, cool off, get you a bottle of water. One of my salespeople will get to you as soon as they can. Anyway, guys, beautiful fifth wheel, $44.9. We give you some other really nice incentives too, like 21 nights of free camping up to 7 nights at a time. at select RV resorts nationwide. That's included for that $44.9 price to be used in a 12-month period. You also get a starter kit with all your camping essentials: sewer hose, water hose, pressure reducer, chemicals, and much more. That's also included, as well as a drive-out tag and instructional DVDs. So anyway, folks, give us a call if you're interested. 706-965-7929. Located 5568 Battlefield Parkway in Ringgold, Georgia. Ringgold, Georgia is 15 miles south of Chattanooga, Tennessee, and 120 miles north of Atlanta. 1 mile west of Interstate I-75 in northwest Georgia at the Tennessee line. Exit 350 Battlefield Parkway. Easy to find, hard to beat. Thank you for watching my video, folks. If you've been at the new dealers getting sticker shock, come here. I've got late model 15, 16, 17, 18s, and 19 used fifth wheels for a whole lot less than what you've been looking at new ones. And some of them hadn't even been used. So anyway, folks, come out, visit with us. You'll be glad you did. Your pocketbook will definitely thank you. Financing available with approved credit and down payment. If you got a question about that, give us a call. Excuse me. Deliveries available. Contact us for a quote, and as always, free delivery within 100 miles one way. Thank you again for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.